back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha Tania, and here on this channel we talk about all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle. And today, if you can tell by the title, we are doing something really crazy, but I'm trying to find my personal style in the next 31 days. If you are new to the channel, I embarked on a journey where I am doing a no-buy challenge where I'm not buying any clothes for the entire year, and I'm shopping my closet all year because that's what I need to do. I am on a journey to find my personal style, and I'm hoping I can find it in the next 31 days. I don't know if I can, but we're going to try together. So I'm getting dressed every day for 31 days, and I'm having you guys join me in the challenge. So I'll be posting every day for 10 minutes a day what I'm wearing and why I'm wearing it. And it's just going to be me getting dressed and probably just chatting through. Some of them may be silent. Some of them may be a voiceover. I'm not entirely sure. It depends on how I feel. Hoping that you guys will join me on this journey. Hopefully at day 31, I have a sense of idea of what my style is. Even if I don't like the outfit, I'm going to talk through it, and we're going to try and work it out together. Hopefully by the end of the 31 days, I get an idea of what my sense of style is, or just have a video log of things and what they look like on me and decide if I want to keep them. I've been decluttering my closet for some time. I'm taking it slow. I'm going through my closet and trying on everything I wear. So I'm touching everything. I'm feeling everything. And I want to get dressed every day with you guys. So if that's something you're going to enjoy, please consider subscribing. Make sure you like this video, share with a friend who is also on a journey to find their personal style. And if you think today's outfit will inspire someone, I hope this is inspiring to you. And until next time, bye. Okay, guys, let's get dressed. I'm going to brunch and doing some furniture shopping. So I want it to be comfy, but cute at the same time. It is a little chilly today, so I knew that I wanted to wear like a skirt. So I pulled out this pleated skirt. I believe it's from Hollister. I think it's just like a pleated like mini skirt. And I was gonna throw on some stockings, and I grabbed this like off the shoulder sweater that I got from actually the TikTok shop, and I wore this sweater a lot this season. So yeah, so together it looks pretty good. I did need to go back and iron the skirt a little bit, which I did later on, but so here it is together with the stockings, and I really like this look together. Okay, and like I said, I'm doing some furniture shopping, so I wanted to be comfy. So I pulled out these Zara like lug sole boots. They're so old. I love this look. Kind of like edgy, chunky shoe with a dainty skirt. So I like this look together, so I went with that. And I thought it was good, even though the two grays are a little different. I like the breakup with the stockings. They're very thick, very warm. Yeah, so I like this. Feeling young girl, young school girl. Okay, and I'm just showing you my fragrance of the day. I like this smell. It smells like Lost Cherry, Tom Ford, in my opinion. And I just went with this watch. Didn't do a lot of jewelry because just wasn't in the mood. So I learned this watch is also from the TikTok shop. Okay, here's the final look. I thought it came together. I did add my LV multicolored Dior bag, and added a coat. This pink coat is my favorite. Like pink coat, it's from Banana Republic. It's an hourglass. It's a really nice look to it, and yeah, that's the look.